Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and give you my first impressions on this GOKOO Smartwatch. Actually, you can pick up this smartwatch from Amazon for $59.99. I will leave a coupon in the description where you can get 20% off. Also, at the taping of this video, there's a coupon from Amazon for 5%. So you can actually get this watch for 25% off, which comes out to about $45, $46 right now, which is actually pretty cool for a smartwatch. It's almost like a fitness band too, because you can do running, walking. You can actually swim with this. This is water resistant. So that's actually pretty cool, especially for the price. That's enough of me talking. Let me show you what you actually got in the box. Bam, you have the charging cable. It actually has little pins right here that hooks up to the watch. It also had an instruction book in there. GOKOO. Here's the watch itself. It came with this band too. Also, it has the metal band. I'm going to tell you some things about this one in a minute. Then also at the bottom, you have a pin injecting tool and then also some extra pins for the band itself. But that's pretty much what you got in the box. Let me put all this up. The phone actually runs off of an app. It pairs with the app. It does not have Wear OS on here. Now, don't laugh at the name of the app, but the app is called The Fit, DA space FIT. I don't know why they named it that, but it is what it is. But here's the app, basic app information. Tells you today, tells you your steps, tells you how much you slept last night, your heart rate. Then you hit the other button here. On this page, you have different options like watch faces. That's one of the things I don't like about this smartwatch slash fitness band. You don't have many options. 3, you can't customize them either, which is kind of, disappointing. Right here, you have your notifications. It lets you pick which ones you want to get from, what app you want to get them from. And then you can do all your apps if you just hit others down there. Then you have upgrade, you have shutter. You have all these different options. You can find your watch if you lose it. It reminds you to move if you've been sitting for too long. Also, your weather app, which is pretty cool. The other thing is just your profile. Enough said there. Alright, so let's go over the watch itself. Bam, here you go. Yes, it's plastic. It's not that bad. Look, it's not that thick. But you do have your heart rate monitor. There's your pins for the back. It's magnetic. So the charging port goes there. You have the silicone sport band on there now, and that's what I have on it. So here's the watch face. Couple things I don't like about it is just how you have to interact. It's not a swipe gesture type of thing. You just hit the button at the bottom. You can't even really see it. Let me see. Let me clean it off. Yeah, you can't even see the button, but you click here and it goes to the different options. There's no back button, so if you hit it, you have to go through all the options. So the interface, the touch abilities on here could be a little bit better. But it does have training on here, so you can hit training. The way you get into an app, you just long press it. But you got walking, running, cycling, skipping, basketball, badminton, football, swimming. And if you want to go back, you just hold that, you go back. Then you have your weather, your messages like Twitter, your blood pressure. So that's pretty much the basics of it. Now, one thing you can do is you can control, that's Twitter, you can actually control your camera shutter here, and also you can do your music player from your phone, which is pretty cool. Also, the price, this is, like I said, $45 to $50. Great price. The overall feel of it, it feels really good. It's not heavy on the wrist. It actually looks pretty good on my wrist. Look, bam. Let's see. Let's check this out. Look at that. It doesn't look, it's not bulky. Doesn't weigh a lot. The heart rate monitoring on here is actually really accurate. I compared it to my Verge. It actually lines up really good with that. The steps are pretty accurate too. I was missing 1 or 2 steps on this watch compared to the Verge. So all the steps counting, the tracking, the running, all works great. So overall with the smartwatch, it actually works really great, especially for the price. So if you're looking for a budget type of smartwatch, you don't want something heavy, cost your wallet a lot of money, I would highly recommend looking into this. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description. That way you can pick it up with the coupon codes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on this watch. Follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews to become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.